Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the best tool deals, clearance deals, power tools. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers their platform by subscribers and likes. Yeah, we got some garden hoses here on clearance. It seems like a lot of stuff is going on clearance because I guess they're moving in new stuff. So they got the buy one get one free Craftsman V20 drill kit, starter kit, string trimmer, leaf blower. You get your free bare tool. So that's a pretty good deal on this one. They don't have the display up here yet, but you can see the item numbers there at the bottom. You got the Kobalt 40 volt backpack blower, 224. They only have the tag. They don't have the item. They got the chainsaw here on clearance, 18-inch, 159 down from 199. It's a pretty good deal on this one, if that's what you're looking for. And then they got the 16-inch for 169 down from 179. Obviously you're not saving as much on this one than the other one, and it's store by store. Like this one's 119. I've seen it in other stores like around $100, so it just depends on what stores have it for the price. And they have the Kobalt. It's a 12-inch chainsaw, 24 volt max, 129 down from 184, 185, 189. My bad. I'm gonna say all the numbers before I say the right one. All right, so they got this one, Kobalt 24 edge trimmer, 119 down from 149. That's it right there. I was just trying to look for it. It was way at the bottom of the shelf. So 24 volt max if you got those batteries. And then I got the backpack sprayer, 169. And then this is the new Craftsman sprayer for 199. It's very similar to the DeWalt, if you guys haven't looked at the Home Depot's DeWalt. And this is the handheld 2-gallon sprayer, $79 down from 99 bucks. Then they got the pressure washer here. It says 1.1 gallons per minute, 1800 psi. Does include like a foam cannon and some other bonus items, cleaner surface item. $99 for 178. That's actually not a bad little deal for all you're getting in that box. $129 for the string trimmer, $79 for the leaf blower. I don't know if you could combine this one with the buy one get one free. So you might be able to get away with that if you really want to save those $10-20. $150 for this fridge, down from $249, and then they got this bigger one. This one's actually pretty nice. This one, the one that's sealed on the box, is $199. This is brand new. It's actually pretty nice. Yeah, 4.0 cubic feet. Does have a freezer. And then this one, they had an open box here, $150. It is damaged right there to the right. I don't know if you guys looked at it, but actually pretty nice from the inside. So good for a bedroom or a studio or something like that. So this one's $584, down from $649. I believe it's a washer. It's a dishwasher. Here we got another dishwasher, $380, down from $779. Just new floor model. And they got this one, open box display, $570. And they got the stove there for $679, down from $849. Not too bad. It says runs to specs, repaired. And they got this washer here, $944, down from $1,049. It's actually a pretty nice washer. One of the better ones out there. And then here's another one for $699, down from $899. It says returned, did not liked it. Runs to specs. A lot of people get these and they return them because they don't like them, so that's why you get to see a lot of clearance. So $430 on this one's $799. I would not recommend this specifically, this model. The middle thing breaks. I used to have this thing, and I ended up replacing that like 3 times. This is $1,039. It's a Whirlpool. It's a much nicer washer. I don't know how well this one works, but for the price, I think it should work really good. So $540 on this one, down from $1,049. Another one that's actually a pretty good deal there. So then they got this one down to $400 from $699. It says run to specs, repaired. And then this one's the dryer was used to customer return, didn't like it, it's too small. $800 down from $849. It's actually brand new. No scratches, no nothing. Looks pretty nice. The inside does look kind of weird with the, it looks plasticky from the inside. $5.99. Says overview check something. Alright, this is another section that these slopes are starting to build up. So right behind, like in between the garden section and the appliance section, there's this big section, clearance section. That's where all these little items are. It's a 2-piece buffer wheel. And they got this cover, $24.99 for $49. It's a Pro Series. And they got this lawnmower. It's a 14-inch 5 reel, $39. So guys, they do have these different sections. This is like the third store I seen this section. And then they have that one. And then this one, which I have no idea what these are. But they're pretty good in price, whatever it is. They got a pressure washer. Here's a Westinghouse gas pressure washer 142. That's a killer deal on this one. 2.5 gallons per minute pressure washer. 3200 psi. I got the Super Shot nozzle here, $7.98. Like I said, a lot of garden equipment's on clearance or sale. So a lot of little stuff like this in the garden section. And they got this one for $39, down from $46. The 50 feet hose, the Hydro Flex. So lightweight hose. It is lightweight. So I was actually, I didn't think that was a 50 footer, but. And they got some more stuff here. Sprinkler system. 23 down from 28. And this one for $15.98 down from $18.98. 50 feet soaker. Alright, so onto the tools. We got the Craftsman. This looks like a 3-gun kit with the compressor hose. $249 down from $299. It's a pretty good deal on that one. $229 for the pancake. This is Metabo pancake compressor. 200 psi is the tank. 6 gallon. That's it right there. It looks pretty nice. So if you're running a lot of nailers, actually, I believe you can run up to 2 on that one. This one's actually a pretty good deal if you could find it at your store. They did not have it here. Regular price, it's $249. Well, that's for the new one. But the clearance price is $69.97. So it's two different numbers. You do have to look at the number. The item number is starts with 83 or something like that. So make sure you guys look at the item number. I did not see it at this store, but yeah, definitely look at the item number. And alright, so next one down is $11.97 down from $29. So 40-piece drill drive set. It's not that one, but there's a whole bunch of these here. Not exactly, don't know. Here's another 40-piece set. I have no idea which one is it, but one of these is on clearance, or one of these is this one. This one's a 40-piece, so that's actually a pretty good deal on those. For 13 or 11 bucks. $7.97 down from 19. It's a short auger bit set, or just a bit, not a bit set, but just a bit. So these are pretty good. $32 for a 14-piece Kobalt bit set. And I got the BOGO deals from DeWalt. It's actually a pretty good deal. Buy one get one free. So you buy any of those tools, and including that planer. Planers are eligible, and get a free 5 amp hour battery. That's a pretty good deal. And check out that light. That light's really expensive. So they all have different prices. So it just depends on whatever you need or whatever you want to get. I believe these are not hackable. So just keep that in mind when you're buying at Lowe's. But you are getting a much better, not a much better, but you're getting a little better deal than the Home Depot. If you guys compare prices, if you guys keep both of the battery and the tool. So you got the fan there for $139, the oscillating tool for $159. You got the lamp there, the big old lamp for $219. And they got the Craftsman Days, so $99 for the 2-tool combo kit. Those are brush tools, by the way. $69 for drill driver or impact driver kits. And they got a 6-tool combo kit for $199. And they're all brush tools, so just keep that in mind. That's the way I was just looking for a thumbnail for this. I was thinking, should I do this or that? So this is the Craftsman. That's the way it looks. So that's the kit. That's $199. I believe a few months back the brushless kit was like around $80 or $100. A lot of us got those. I got one for my cousin. I got one for myself. So $99 for that. And then they got the buy one get one free for Kobalt. This is $149. You get the 2 4s, a charger, and you get to select the free tool. This is actually a pretty good deal. And then you get to select from that new radio. That's the new radio. Reciprocating saw, the job site blower, the fan. The fan's a good one to get with these because it's 2 big batteries. So lots to choose from right there. So pretty good deal, $149. To 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour. That's the reciprocating saw for $99. You got the, what is that? A blower, a high volume inflator, and then you got what is that? A sander, oscillating tool. So lots of good stuff to choose from. Then they got this 4-tool combo kit. Not necessarily killer deal, but it will. Just make sure you guys watch out. Look for this $426 from $449. It might be lower at your store, or just look at it. You know, just watch the price. Make sure you guys watch them. 4-tool combo kit, $372 down from $419. So 4-tool combo kit, 20 volt max. It's pretty good. Then they got this one, $264 from $279. And they got this one, $239 down from $319. So they got several different ones. They're going to be moving some inventory out. They're going to be putting the new power stack. This is one of the new ones. It's a 4-tool combo kit. It does include a 5 amp hour battery and a power stack. Charger in the bag. So, and I believe that's the new reciprocating saw. And the new power stack. $279 down from $329. This is a Kobalt brushless, a 4-piece combo kit. They did not have this here. And they got this impact driver for $119, hammer drill for $119, and that's the kit. It's pretty good on that, and that's the kit for the drill driver. I believe the hammer drill was bare tool. Got the Kobalt 2-pack 4 amp hour starter kit. So it's basically what we saw earlier, you know, with the kit. The starter kit, and you get a free tool. Got a circ saw bare tool, $109. $29 for $69. It's a drywall magazine or attachment. Drywall gun. $79 for the cutout tool, bare tool. $39 for the die grinder. They still have these. I can't believe. Some of the stores already ran out. Some of them didn't have it. This one already ran out. So they got the rotary hammer, $139 down from $169. You got the planer, $139 down from $159. Then they got the 5-tool combo kit for $209 down from $349. Guys, this is a good deal. You guys see it, pick it up. So professional level tools. They did not have it at this store. You got a 3 amp hour 2-pack, $129 down from $179 from DeWalt. And they got a 2 amp hour 2-pack, $99 down from $159. So not too bad deals on these. You guys need to stock up on batteries. You got the Boston clearance, 4 amp hour battery, $59 down from $99. A little dusty. Just trying to get the. Alright, they got the DeWalt Extreme. So basically it's valid from 4/28 to 7/27. 12 volt max extreme subcompact brushless cordless combo kit. Get yourself a select bare tool for free. So guys, you got them right there. I don't have that the bigger deal there, but just this. So you guys gonna have to put it together. You got the 20 volt combo kit there for $229. This is with the power stack. Pretty good deal on that. And then $199. This one's dropped down for $249 for the flex. That's the hammer drill turbo. And then you got the angle grinder paddle switch. $199 down from $249. Then they got the Pro Factor. You buy a Pro Factor power tool, get yourself a free amp hour battery for free. So 8 amp hour. Pretty good deal. I was looking for these up top. Did not see any. 69 down from 79. This is a 6 amp jigsaw. This is corded, by the way. So if you guys looking for a jigsaw, that's the way it looks. A little dusty, a little dirty, but overall pretty nice. $59 down from 79. Got 5-inch variable speed sander. So it looks pretty nice on the box. Then that's the tag. And then that's the tool itself. It's already missing some stuff. $219 down from $249. Sliding miter saw. That's a pretty nice miter saw. And that's the way it looks. $29.98 down from $49.98. It's a jig, a correct jig. So this is a pretty nice. If you guys like to do fine woodworking or cabinets and stuff like that, some nice tool to have. $10 down from $16.98. Lefkin tape measure. This is the bigger ones. It says 3 times rewind. And I got the ratchet. This thing is huge. This thing is massive. I don't see myself using this thing for a mechanic. I prefer the Joby over this thing. This thing's massive. So then $29.98. This is some of the stuff that I haven't seen before. 2-pack multi-purpose clamp with level and string. So it's a pretty nice little tool there. You got the 22-piece tool bag set, $79. Pretty much a homeowner set here. I think it's a little pricey, to tell you the truth. This one's $99. I think this one's pretty good. 299 pieces. There's a lot of filler in there, so just keep that in mind. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.